Make a great choice today with the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.